Hey friends, if you wish to set up and use Quick Assist in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for Quick Assist in the Windows search bar and then go to Quick Assist. Okay, this is how you can open Quick Assist, and then you can add the security code for someone who wishes to take control of your screen, and then give them the code. Okay, and if you wish to help someone, then you will have to sign in to your account. Let me show you how it's done. And then you will have to share this code to someone. Okay, so this is the code, and you can share it with someone, and that person can access your screen. So this is how you can use Quick Assist. I will close it because I don't want anyone to take control of my screen, but this is the process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.